Good morning. It is Sunday, May 25th, and I am getting ready to start my big journey. So, just being serious for a minute, I lost my husband about a year and a half ago. And if you've ever lost a spouse, you know that your life becomes redefined. This is my journey to explore what that's going to look like. Enough of the serious stuff. We're going to be taking off after we go to church today. Rue, wait. Hey, you want to go see Sue? Oh, well, I see you got in already real fast. You ready to go, Rue? Okay, bye-bye. And so, off we go. So, I forget what step we're on, but this would be the most important step. Let our journey begin. Yes? What? The little Dennis? Is that you, little Dennis? You'll be fine. Your video games are all powered up. Love you. What? Yeah, plenty of stuff in the freezer for you. All empty boxes. Love you. Oh my gosh, my son's staying home, so this is really, he was just giving me trouble like he used to when he was a little guy. Anyway, we are officially on the road. First stop, Colby, Kansas. See you when we get there. It's just rain after rain after rain. So I guess the good news is I don't feel bad about being in my car. Home sweet home for the night. It is 8:36 and we finally made it to our destination. And oh wow, there's a Hampton Inn right next door. Well, there you go, Rue. I see our spot. I see our spot, Rue. It hasn't gone anywhere. It's right where we were last time. Here's our spot. I could do without the rain. Good morning. It is Monday, May 26th, so happy Memorial Day. I don't know if it's happy, but thinking about all those people who served our great country for the freedom that we have. So I am thinking about that today. Last night we got here about 8:30, got settled in. It was misty. It's just been misty. It did rain in the middle of the night. Everything was fine. We slept pretty well, not noise from traffic or anything. I had a little coffee to keep me going, and it kept me going. It is about 6:18 in the morning. We are headed to Colorado. I'm so excited. We're gonna stay at a campground that we stayed at last year, and I'm really excited. I'm going to take some time to reorganize this mess of a car. It took me a little longer. This is kind of funny. So I was putting things in the front seat so that the bed would be clear in the back, and all of a sudden my horn went off. And I'm clicking my remote thinking that it was, like I hit something with my pocket when I was bending over. but my chair had fallen against my horn and was just blasting my horn. So much for being stealthy. Anyway, live and learn. It's an adventure. The car's wet, everything's wet, but I signed up for this adventure, and I'm looking forward to it. So off we go to Colorado. Here's a little tease for ya. This is Georgetown, Colorado. We made it to the mountains of Denver. Are you excited, Rue? You see the mountains? Look at those mountains, Ruby-Doo. Woohoo! Denver. I love these clouds right here because you can see the rain coming down out of them. I just thought they were really pretty. When Rue and I made it to the campground, we had to chill for a while. I got motion sickness really bad. Good morning. It is Tuesday, March 27th. I'm watching Rue. She's exploring. Anyway, good morning. We are doing well. It is about 9 o'clock. It is 62 degrees. We are at James Robb State Park. I did a video on it last year. I don't know how much I showed. So Rue and I are going to go on a little walk and kind of show you around and enjoy. This is the tent-only campground. I almost parked here because I only have a tent, but it attaches to my car, so I'm glad that I did not. And a nice little path follows the river and the highway. This is right off Highway 70, so it makes for a great location to get to easily, but it does have traffic noise. It's not too bad. The traffic pretty much settles down at night. I think it started picking up, 5 o'clock this morning. Anyway, Rue and I are going to explore this path for a while since it's so beautiful out here. There's a good view of the Colorado River. It's interesting because I'll have to research this. Most rivers I know flow the other way. Either that or I'm all turned around. That could be true too. But it's real pretty. So across the river, you'll see the train track. I did get some video of a train going by. You can definitely hear it. I don't know if you can see it, but this is the track. It was going by. So interesting, right? Train track on one side of the Colorado River and highway on the other. You ready to go? Want to go see Sam? Want to go see Sue? Want to go to Utah? You want to go to Utah, don't you? Run away. On Wednesday, we met up with a friend of Sam's from work and went to Quail Creek Lake, where the dogs were swimming in the lake. We went paddleboarding. It was a great time.